what can you advise us to do in terms of the coming election? Because we are trying to preach peace, love, and unity everywhere, so that we don't have squabble here and there. And we are trying to teach people to elect leaders with integrity, transparency.
It's all about what's in your heart. I think you've got to come from a place that is nice and that is all about the good in people, spreading information and understanding, compassion, and love for everybody and everything too, like me and little bugs on the ground that crawl and birds in the sky, doggies, kitty cats, everything. Just gotta spread the love, Phylemon.
Thank you, Blue, for the advice. Thank you, Blue, for that. I'm going to advise my team on your advice, and I'm going to tell them what you've taught me. And we're going to do a lot of work so that we educate people, we inform people, and we inform the community. And I hope we'll be talking as human beings in the future, not as enemies.